It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today wala tayong luto-luto. Siguradong bagay sa pulutan. Ito ang kinilaw. Let's do it!
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of our Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya sisimulan na natin yung ating very simple kinilaw sa gata. And gagawin natin dito, meron tayong tuna and this is around 350 grams. What are we going to do? We are going to dice it into small pieces. Be sure that your knife is very sharp para, effortless yung pag-slice nyo at hindi madudurog yung flesh ng isda. And our tuna is done. It's ready. And what we will do, we're going to season our tuna with salt. And what we're going to do is we're going to soak our tuna in vinegar. Yan. Just enough. Yan. And we will strain that later on. No? Yan. Tatabi natin itong ating tuna, letting it sit. And I will prepare my dressing. Yan. So, gagawa ko ng dressing separately. Then, I'll just add the tuna later. So, what do? I have here a piece of ginger. Slice it thinly and we're going to mince it. So, we use young ginger para hindi siya masyadong mahibla. Hindi siya fibrous. Luya, no? Sa Visayas, tawag naman, luya. We have an onion, a red onion, of course. Very simple to do. Just like making a salad of fish, di ba? So, it's best to use like a non-corrosive na, bowl. Especially we're working with suka. Yan, then we have our tomatoes. Yung gagawin ko sa tomatoes, I'm going to remove the seeds. I don't like eating the seeds pag raw. So, I use a spoon, I just scoop out the seeds. And I'm going to dice my tomatoes. Very, very classic recipe. So, we're making some sort of a relish, di ba? Tomatoes is done. I'll use half a cucumber. Yan. Again, I will remove the seeds. Scoop it out. Yan, so it's clean. Yan. And some chilies. Lalagyan ko ng siling pangsigang, of course. So, parang gumagawa lang tayo ng chunky sausawan, no? To come to think of it, you're just like making your sausawan with all these, other ingredients. And leeks. We leave the rest for garnish. And we add our vinegar. We're using Datu Puti vinegar. And instead of salt, we will use patis to give it a nice umami also. So, we're using Datu Puti patis to taste. Yan. I will also add a teaspoon of sugar, which is, optional. But ako, I like to add a little bit of sugar para medyo maging more fruity yung ating flavor. And I have that option, no? So, I can use calamansi juice or I can use lime juice. So, gamit ko dito ay limes. Yan. Very traditional sa Mindanao, sa Visayas. And if you want to use, siling labuyo. Yan, lalagyan din natin ng siling labuyo. I'll add it kasi mas masarap talaga yung kinilaw na medyo maanghang, di ba? That's good enough. And that's our dressing. Our tuna has been marinating. And yung gagawin natin dito ay ililipat ko lang yung aking tuna. Ito yung ginagawa talaga namin is parang we rinse the tuna with the suka. We don't wash it with water. We only rinse it in vinegar. Vinegar which we use to rinse the kinilaw. So, this one is good enough. No? Some people like their kinilaw very straightforward. You have the option also of adding coconut milk. So, we're using half a cup of coconut milk to add to our kinilaw. Yan. Wow, look at that. And that's done. Serve it chilled. So, you chill it for like 10 minutes more. and serve it, and wow, with beer. This is as simple as it gets, our version of kinilaw na tuna sa gata. Try this at home, enjoy with your family, enjoy it with friends. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto at magkilaw. Basta, simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!